guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are in Del Mar, pretty much on the water, and we are showing you what you can get for just under $24 million. Again, we're in Del Mar, one of the best places to live when it comes to sunny San Diego, and I cannot wait to show you this property. With that being said, my name is Alex Trubnikov. I'm a local real estate agent here with Compass. Let's go check out this beautiful property for sale. So as you can see, you're pretty much on the water. You can't really see it yet, but this is the property that we're going to be seeing today. And behind it, right here, it's also a super remodeled house. So location-wise, it's one of the best. 4 beds, 4 baths, 3,000 square feet. I'm going to leave all the information about this property in the description below. So you got the bathroom here. Got the bedroom on the first floor. Super nice. It's a little cloudy today, but usually when it's very sunny, this house, I'm sure, looks gorgeous. They bought it about 3 years ago, and they're moving to a different house, and now it's for sale. Just under 24 million. The backyard is your ocean, as you can see, and they put a lot of money and time into this house. So right here's the kitchen, beautiful island. Let's go see the upstairs. So here's the first bathroom. Gorgeous bedroom. So for Del Mar, these bedrooms are pretty large. You do have 4 bedrooms, you are in the ocean, you have the best school districts, you're pretty much really close to Monarch and all of the best restaurants in Del Mar. And you can tell that they pretty much spec'd out this house.
Are you sure? Okay.
This is your master. Beautiful. I almost forgot to show you guys the closets, but this right here is one of the nicest closets that I've seen so far, because the ocean is right there. Look at that. Beautiful. So that was the property tour here in Del Mar of what you can get for just under $24 million. If you are looking to buy, sell, or invest, feel free to reach out to me. I specialize in off-market deals in Fairbanks, in Del Mar, in Carmel Valley, all those areas. If you cannot find the house that you're looking for, feel free to call me, text me, email me. I would love to help you with your next house. With that being said, it's a beautiful day, and I'm gonna go to Monarch, grab lunch. До свидания.